Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I will be showing you how to extract and to scrape emails from Google. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So head over to your browser, and first of all, you have to search for Dockit. So click enter. So this first one here, you click on it. I already have it on my system, so from your own end, just try and download it. Download the extension. So you can see from here, they said remove from Chrome. I don't want to remove it. I already have it. You can see it here. So I already have it. So, next thing is to search for, open another browser and search for email extractor. Email extractor. Click on the first one. You also download it. You can see remove from Chrome. I already have it on my phone, on my laptop, so no need of downloading it again. So the next thing you will do after downloading it, you extract it. You can save it. Let's extract some emails now. So you click on this Dockit. Here you can see add filter. Select a filter. So come here and click. If you want to extract Gmails or Yahoo Mail, just click on search exact string. Click on it. So here you can add either Gmail or Yahoo Mail. So we'll go with at Gmail at gmail.com. So we'll add that filter. Okay, we've added one. So the second one, we want to get emails of HRs. You have to search for match keyword in title. Match keyword in title. So you come here, you type HR. You add that filter too. Then the last one, to get, let me say, you want to search HR emails from LinkedIn. So you also add a filter for that. Come here, add match site want to extract the emails from. Then you come here, you can put linkedin.com. linkedin.com. Then you add the filter and you click on Dockit. Okay, so you can see some results are out. So let's check the numbers of emails we are able to get. So you click on this email extractor. So you can see the numbers of email we are able to get is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think 18 of it. This is 18. So if I go down here and click on the second one to generate another one, see, this 10. So let's copy this first. Copy and paste on our notes. Only this one. Oh, okay. So we'll go back and let's copy this first one. We didn't copy the first one. This one is 18 emails. So these are you get emails. Maybe if you're looking for a job and want to send multiple emails to HR. So this is how you get HR emails from LinkedIn, and you send them your CVs and all that. So you're able to get I think 10 plus 8 should be 28 of it. So that's it. And it's absolutely free. So you don't need to spend much money on this. Yes, thank you. If you find value in this video, hit the like button, hit the subscription button so you'll be getting valuable tips from this channel. Thanks for watching and bye for now.